Welcome back, Flare Community. I am absolutely honoured to announce that the Flare Community YouTube channel has just passed the 30,000 subscriber milestone. First and foremost, I would like to say a big thank you to the community. We are growing at an incredible rate, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Now you know what this is about. Today we are introducing the next in the series of the Flare Community NFT collection, a series of 10 unique NFTs representing much more than just digital art. So let's not delay this any longer. Let me introduce the 30,000 subscriber Flare Community NFT. The Launchpad. Flare Community. Welcome back to Flare Community. Absolutely incredible artwork, I'm sure you will agree. This particular piece, and in fact all NFTs which are from the Flare Community NFT collection, have been created by the very talented animator, the NFT Riddler. If you would like to see more of his work, please make sure to check out the link to his website in the description of this video. Now, this NFT is part of a bigger collection, a collection like no other. I have a dedicated video to explain in depth the many unique benefits you can receive from owning a Flare Community NFT. To give you a brief overview, these benefits include future NFT airdrops, which is what I believe to be a first in the space, meaning if you simply hold this 30,000 subscriber NFT, you will eventually receive every subsequent NFT created, right up until the 100,000 subscriber NFT. You also have a passive income opportunity if you manage to collect all 10 NFTs in the collection. And finally, ownership of the incredible artwork itself. I would highly recommend checking the video linked above for a full overview of what this amazing collection offers. I would also like to remind you that I will be giving away a number of these extremely rare NFTs in an upcoming live stream. Members of the Flare Community YouTube channel of the highest sponsor tier will also have a special chance of winning one of these NFTs. So if that's something that interests you, check the join button below. With that being said, if you would like to own this particular NFT today, you can check the link in the description of this video for the Flare Community Rarible account. I will be starting with a limited amount of these NFTs on sale, so be sure to subscribe for future announcements of when more become available. This collection will initially be minted on the Ethereum network. These NFTs will soon be able to be easily ported over to the Flare network, as both utilize the Ethereum virtual machine. To be more specific, I plan to bring these NFTs onto the Sparkles platform, the first NFT marketplace due to launch on the Flare network. So there we have it. The 30,000 subscriber milestone is now available. It's been a wild ride, and I can't wait to celebrate the next 10,000 subscribers. In true Flare Community tradition, I will soon be hosting a live stream with lots of giveaways, so stay tuned for that. Thank you as always so much for watching and your continuous support. Until the next time, I'm out.